Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've already imported your footage, so start by placing the clip on the timeline and setting the project frame rate to match the source. This prevents timing drift. Next, enable a subtitle track from the timeline menu so captions are editable as native tracks. Make sure audio is synced and muted if you'll preview only visuals. Once the subtitle track exists, select it and position the playhead at the first spoken word to begin inserting your first caption segment. With the playhead at a speech start, add a subtitle segment and type the text into the inspector. This is where you control language, style, and timing. Use the audio waveform to trim the segment in and out so each caption appears exactly when words start and finish. For longer lines, split into multiple segments for readability and to respect reading speed. Also, apply a consistent character limit per line and preview by playing the timeline to ensure natural pacing. Once captions are placed, style them in the inspector. Choose font, size, color, background box, and vertical position to avoid important visuals. Decide whether to burn subtitles into video or export as a separate SRT/VTT file. Embedded files are handy for platforms that support tracks. When ready, use Deliver to export captions alongside your render. If subtitles drift or mismatch after export, make sure project FPS matches source footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.